A faulty fridge is to blame for a kitchen fire in Lantana. It happened just after 10 this morning along South Broadway. The homeowner says she saw black smoke coming from her freezer. When she opened it, flames exploded and set her whole kitchen on fire.
I see the smoke. When I see the smoke, the black smoke, and then I open the freezer, the fire, the flame coming out. And the freezer explodes, everything explodes.
Exploded?
Yeah.
The kitchen sustained the most damage. The Red Cross is assisting the home's residents tonight.